We're making a t-shirt today with NoWeed Foil and 123 Flex. It's for my doorman who helped me lift this heavy, actually he did the heavy lifting, of this heat press onto my craft cart. First I'm going to iron out, heat press out the wrinkles and the moisture. My doorman is very involved with the environment. So I'm going to do a t-shirt for him based on the environment. This is the first thing I'm going to put on. Let's see, you know what? I'm going to do this too. I almost forgot. So I'm going to get the center line of this as well. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. And you don't have to use a release paper on this, but I'm a big chicken, so I usually do. And this is 123 Flex, so we're just gonna do it for 3 to 5 seconds. We're gonna be pressing it again when we put the foil on, so it doesn't have to be for a long time. Okay. Our heat press is on 300 degrees. Very nice. Okay, the next step is the NoWeed Foil transfer paper. That's been done in mirror, and we're going to put the image side down. Going to go right under there, and that's got the black part is what's going to grab the foil. Okay, we're going to press it for 10 to 15 seconds. Just want to make sure it's centered, and it looks like it is. And then we're going to hot peel the transfer paper off. Perfecto. Okay, now I've cut the foil. You're gonna lay the foil shiny side up. I've cut it to kind of mimic the type so we don't put it over the type. And I want to get that straight as well. This is going to be a cold peel. Shiny side up, of course, because that's what you're going to see. And then we press this for about 10 seconds. Then we're going to cold peel it with our cooling block, which we're going to be selling on our website soon. As you do this, you'll start to see the image come through, which means it's bonding to your fabric. There we go, beautiful peel. Oh, I think he's gonna like this. He's such a good guy. And we're just gonna give it one more quick press just to make sure everything is bonded. Maybe another 10 seconds, and then we be done. I think I'm gonna put his name on the front though too. Who doesn't like their name on the front? There we go. Respect, reuse, recycle. So this NoWeed foil is so easy, and so is the 1 2 3 Flex. Be back at you guys. Bye. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks everyone.